waterfall, which is the second stage waterfall, into the bucket overflow. That's waterfall number 3. And then to the, don't want too fast, the strawberry punnet, waterfall number 4. Down the slide, along and into waterfall number 5, which is a combined waterfall with over spill area, which we're going to develop, and then into the beer dispenser. And we can control the amount of water comes out by filling and then releasing the water from the beer dispenser.
Right, I can stop the water now.
Reuben is now going to show you how to operate the...
Now I'm going to go up and then into the bucket.
Yes.
What bucket's that? What did I just say? Oh yeah, I just said the bucket's wet. Why did I just say that? Does anybody understand?
Everybody understands.
That's how you
Do you think we need to keep doing waterfalls and do one from there?
Yeah.
Or no, we can do one from the bucket maybe.
Yeah!
But we've got to wait for it. We have to wait for it to fill up first.
Yeah.
Do you use the toilet? I think you do, really.
No.
Wouldn't it be good? I'll tell you what would be good if we could control this right, so that it let the water out at the same rate that if it was coming in. Ready? Just like so. Oh no, we need 2 stones. Bruce. Move the box. Oh look, we use this. Right. And then Bruce, need help. Reuben.
No.
Oh, that's about right. No, it's not, is it? Bruce, help me. If this comes out at the same rate that it's going in, it will just stay the same, Reuben. Like that. Oh no, it's going down slightly.